Ensuring your mobile app's Fort Knox, a deep dive into application security assessments, mobile phone with arrow, lock. Ever wondered if your mobile app is truly secure? It might be time to consider a security assessment. With the average US consumer spending almost 4 hours daily on digital media, and a significant portion of that time on mobile apps, safeguarding user data is paramount. As cyber threats grow, mobile apps become prime targets for data breaches, with the average cost of a breach hitting $3.86 million. Unsecured Wi-Fi networks, weak cryptography, and other vulnerabilities make apps susceptible to cunning cybercriminals. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 ways apps are compromised and delve into effective security testing measures to shield your mobile app. Closed lock with key. Understanding application security. Why it matters. Application security is the frontline defense against potential attacks on mobile apps, web apps, or APIs. Many organizations lack the expertise and resources to effectively monitor their apps and adjust security protocols to combat emerging threats. Changing compliance regulations, like GDPR, mandate strict security measures to protect user data. Every business is unique, requiring expert guidance to develop a tailored security strategy that meets compliance, prevents attacks, and safeguards user data. Application security is not just a necessity, it's an investment in operational efficiency, meeting compliance requirements, reducing risk, and building trust with customers. Join us as we unravel the critical aspects of application security, offering insights into its importance, how it boosts operational efficiency, addresses compliance needs, reduces risk, and builds trust. Don't let security breaches tarnish your business reputation. Implementing effective application security is a worthwhile investment. Stay tuned for practical tips and expert advice on securing your mobile app. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cybersecurity. Rocket. Thanks for watching.